Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I'm Jay Priya here to teach you how to do 4-digit subtraction with regrouping. See, children, let us take two numbers 7,347 and 6,068. So, first write these numbers one below the other according to the place value table. Now we can start our subtraction. See, children, always start from ones place. Here, ones place digits are 7 and 8. See, 7 is lesser than 8. So, we cannot subtract. So, borrow 1 from tens place. Here, tens place digit is 4. So, it is reduced by 1 and it becomes 3, and ones place digit 7 is increased by 10 and it becomes 17. Now we can easily subtract 17 minus 8, that is equal to 9. Next, subtract 3 minus 6. See, 3 is lesser than 6. So, we cannot subtract. Then, borrow 1 from 100 place. So, 3 is reduced by 1 and it becomes 2, and tens place digit 3 is increased as 13. Now we can subtract 13 minus 6, that is equal to 7. Next, subtract 100 place digits, that is 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2. At last, subtract thousands place digits, that is 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. So, when we subtract 7,347 and 6,068, we will get the difference as 1,279. Next example, 5,873 minus 2,658. See, children, when you subtract any two numbers, the greater number always will be on top. Now, let us start subtraction. Here, the ones place digits are 3 and 8. 3 is lesser than 8. So, we cannot subtract. So, we can borrow 1 from tens place. So, tens place digit 7 is reduced by 1 and it becomes 6. And ones place digit 3 is increased by 10 and it becomes 13. Now we can easily subtract 13 minus 8, that is equal to 5. Next, subtract tens place digits, that is 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. Next, subtract 100 place digits, that is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. At last, subtract thousands place digits, that is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, when we subtract 5,873 and 2,658, we will get the difference as 3,215. One more example, 6,000 853 minus 1562. So, first subtract one's place digits, that is 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. Next, subtract tens place digits, that is 5 minus 6. See children, 5 is lesser than 6. So, borrow 1 from 100 place. So, 100 place digit 8 is decreased by 1 and it becomes 7. And also, tens place digit is increased as 15. Now we can easily subtract 15 minus 6, that is equal to 9. Next, subtract 100 place digits, that is 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. Next, subtract thousands place digits, that is 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. So, when we subtract 6853 and 1562, we will get the difference as 5291. Okay children, now I believe you all have learned how to do 4-digit subtraction, isn't it? Okay, then see you on next section with another topic. Till then, bye.